This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean boot medium and accessing firmware. Plug in an 8 GB plus USB, run Rufus or the Media Creation tool to write the official ISO. This ensures a known good installer. Once done, reboot and enter BIOS/UEFI, press F2, Del, or ESC depending on the device, to set USB as first boot. Make sure to disable Secure Boot only if the tool prompts it. Keeping data backed up prevents surprises. This initial prep gets you to the installer quickly and safely. Boot from the USB and select Repair your computer. Do not hit Install now. You'll first try Startup Repair to fix common boot issues automatically. If problems persist, open Command Prompt. Run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch replacements. Next, check disk integrity with chkdskc/f/r. This addresses file system errors. If Windows still won't boot, rebuild the boot configuration with bootrec/fixember. If repair tools can't recover the system, perform a custom install from the USB and opt to keep personal files if offered. This refreshes Windows without full data loss. After setup, install chipset and storage drivers, run Windows Update, and restore your backup. Make sure activation and settings are correct. If things go wrong, try safe mode to isolate software issues, receipt cables and memory modules, and run memory and SSD diagnostics to rule out hardware faults. Those steps often reveal the hidden cause of persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.